Dawn.
Yes.
What I would say, firstly,
we should be on your bed today.
No, we should be filming by the Christmas tree.
Yeah, no.
Okay. Secondly, I'm not in my pants.
It's a miracle.
It's a miracle. This is actually quite nice. I'm also, right guys, so we've had to move everything around to fit the Christmas tree. So I'm basically like on this bed thing now.
It actually looks well comfy.
Oh, so comfy. Can you throw me stuff?
Yeah, I'm going
By the way, welcome to another edition of Lisa Tits of Outer Boxes featuring
Dawn.
I don't know why I did have a nice little voice. Right, we need to hurry up, Dawn, because
Why do we need to hurry up, Lisa?
well, the problem has been that
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Woo.
the problem has been that we've been busy. Dawn's on a day off today, and she's come over.
Because I'm employee of the year.
The only employee of the year. Also, my hair's darker. Do you like it?
It's lovely.
I don't know if it looks that dark actually, Dawn, in that picture. I don't know if you've chosen the best picture there.
I've chosen the best picture.
Dawny sat here and she was like, I'm going to be the first to comment. Were you?
I was, I think.
Did you write first like?
No, I put not jealous that all your hair grows so quick and it's so thick. Looks amazing.
Thanks, Dawn. You're so cute.
And then that's caught up with my hair and I've been growing mine for 10 years.
So true, actually. Right, let's start. We got some good stuff here.
Yeah, we have got
2
some
weeks
good stuff.
worth. Thanks. We've been too busy to do it. We've got under the microscope that Ultra Luxe Skin Specialist. Have you got prices?
No.
This is MURA.
I've got some prices, but
She's got some, but not this. This is from MURA, and this is Happy Holidays. 'Tis the season of glow. This is one of their gifts. And it's got in the Hydrodynamic Moisturiser, the Exfoliant Cleanser, Youth Retinol, and the Vitamin C Glycolic Acid. So if someone's a MURA fan, that is a lovely, lovely gift.
So it's worth £228.
Wow.
And it is 162.
Do you know who we're giving this to? Uncle Ian.
Great.
He
That's
loves
him sorted.
MURA, and I've got all this stuff individually because it's a great brand, great gift. I love at Christmas that everything comes in like boxes. Also, guys, you'll probably like this better that I'm further away and you can actually see the boxes properly. Bobby Brown, did we not do this last week, Dawn?
New stuff.
Ooh, gold paper. Ooh, now we got more. Please enclose some of the holiday stuff. Oh my God, I love a Bobby Brown palette. Let's have a look. It's a Radiant Blush palette. Oh, I've just seen another one. Look at this. Prime to Party, vitamin-rich face cream.
I tried to find that everywhere.
Probably sold out. This is
And,
cute.
I can't find the price of that at all.
I think I preferred their Christmas packaging last year. I feel like it was holographic-y. But this is nice.
Oh, look at them.
With the highlighter and the blush. Do you know how much this one is?
What's that one called?
It's called... Are you just searching now?
Yeah.
Luxe Cheek and Highlight palette. Let's look at this eyeshadow.
Genius though, isn't it? I'm just sat here.
Genius. The thing is, Dawn, you're not the fastest at Googling
I'm
things.
not.
So actually, I'm not sure.
Yeah, but I'm not. I think like I'm sort of normal speed. You are like ridiculous. So it is £48, and at the moment I look fantastic. It's £43.20.
Lovely. And this palette's lovely. I love these eyeshadows as well, and those sparkly ones are brilliant. I'm always like, people have got a sparkle on them, I'm always like, is that? It's usually either
Right, we're going to try and
Bobbi
keep this
Brown.
tidy.
Okay. It's usually either Bobbi Brown, Pat McGrath, or Urban Decay. Those are the three sparkliness. Right, Kate Somerville, happy holidays.
It's a happy, happy holiday.
Can't believe we're not in front of the tree.
No, I know, but
Are we going to be able to film this next week?
we are like, what is next week?
I don't even know.
Yeah, we'll be able to film it.
Okay, let it glow. This feels very light. Oh, it's because it's all... Where have they taken it all out of the box? Don't know. Anyway, it's Exfoliate, and I love this stuff. Is that a bit bright? The light.
Oh my god, is it out?
Yeah.
That's so weird. I thought they were like miniatures in there.
No, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know why. Moisturiser in a way. And then we've got a mini of the Exfoliate.
Let it glow, £34.
That's good because these are really...
15% off at Space and K.
Dawn,
£28.
the thing is, we're filming this on Wednesday. By Sunday, they might not be discounted.
Well, that's on first orders. So if you've not shopped at Space and K...
Please, don't. I prefer Dawn when she's got her listed. It's not like bloody adding this all up. Right, okay, next. Oh, God, Dior.
Dior prices.
Sorry, so have I. Okay, the season. Peter Philip reinterprets copper and gold silver tones, which are presented in 2 Dior Backstage eye palettes. We love the eye palettes. They come like this and they have 9 different shadows in them. Let's have a look. So this, I think, is the silver. Gorgeous. Look at that. Really nice. Love that burgundy in there as well. And then, look at me, Dawn.
You're being a good girl. Very proud of you.
Also a bit weird, you calling me a good girl.
Well, good woman.
Just weird overall, but thanks. This is exactly the same. Did I just reopen the one I put away? Or have they sent 2 silvers? I must have reopened the one I put away. No.
I think they have.
They've sent 2 the same colour. Lucky someone in my family getting some. And then we've got some lip glow. Ooh. Let's have a look at this colour. It looks like it's quite a dark colour. But these are like a balm. So yeah, look, gorgeous.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, it's like a... Why the lights are so bright today? I don't know what's happening. It's like a burgundy type colour. I'm not going to... They're really nice, the lip glows by Dior. Lovely. Those palettes are really great. And the palettes, just so you guys know, are £43, which is really good for Dior for 9 eyeshadows. Then we have a pink box of joy, which is... Oh, Dawn. We know these are all sold out, aren't they?
Yeah.
Because we put them on the gift guide because we love Rare Beauty. Let's take them off. It's the Dewy Essentials. The thing is, things like this might come back. Rare Beauty is such a great brand. You've got blushes here. I mean, look at this 4-piece mini set.
They're a good size as well.
Yeah, they're really nice. What we got in this little box? This doesn't feel like product.
Guess it.
If it's a baked by Steph cookie, well, I bet it is, isn't it? Oh.
How did you guess that?
Because I can just tell from the box. It's just light, and we get a lot of baked by Steph, and I can never eat any of them because they've all got gluten in. But she's very talented, and they always smell really good. Hey, do you want to take them home for your mum?
Yeah.
It's supposed to be really nice. But yeah, Rare Beauty, good luck getting their gifts now, but you can still get their individual products. Space NK exclusive, I think. Okay, Dawn, I'm
This is heavy.
You know what's in it. Oh, get out and dance, lockdown liquor. And this, this is from Rachel. So I did the makeup for this. It's my friend Dawn Porter. She did a collection with Rachel Jackson, and she has sent from her collection the earrings, which I just love. Look, they've got a star.
Oh, they're lovely.
Can you see that star there? They're so good. Rachel Jackson's jewellery is amazing, and I'm pretty sure it's exclusive to her website and to Selfridges. But they're, I mean, look, I love a hoop. These are like my £4 ones from ASOS, but these ones are special. Love, love, love. Okay, who doesn't love a picante? Right, in here, Laura Mercier. We have got the Real Flawless Luminous Perfecting Pressed Powder and the Tinted Moisturiser Bronzer. We're bringing out new products in December, that's unusual. The secret to effortless sun-kissed skin is here. A cream bronzer with all the skin-loving benefits of Laura Mercier's famed tinted moisturiser. What? That's amazing. I love the tinted moisturiser. Let's have a look. So, comes in a tube. Let's put some on the hand. I love a liquid bronzer as well. So you can just...
It's a bronzer?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's gorgeous. And I smell it, but it gives you like this really lovely...
Oh, it's a really
natural warm glow. I'm literally putting this in straight in my makeup bag because I really, really need a bit of a glow. It's amazing, don't you think, right? How tanned we were in summer, if we look back, and then now...
That's how we were like on your birthday. We were quite tanned.
Yeah, September.
Yeah.
I mean, that is the end of summer though, really, isn't it? Bare Minerals, a selection of their 2023 launches. So we have got their Ageless Phyto Cream and the Collagen Firming Sleeping Mask. I haven't tried that actually. I don't know if we've seen any of this stuff, Dawn, have we? And the original pore minimising primer. I don't know if Bare Minerals has got a little bit off the radar.
Yeah, I feel like they have a little bit.
Then my sister, Kate, she used to have like problem skin, and Bare Minerals was the only thing she could use. The ingredients in the products are fab. So yeah. Next, also Dawn was just reading a little. Oh,
No, I was getting making sure I had the right.
wow! What is this? ORIBE Gold Lust Set. Firstly, this packaging is so. What the hell? Sorry, what is in here? Is that a shampoo and conditioner? Dawn? Oh my goodness.
Yes, it was £110.
Yeah, ORIBE'S an amazing brand. This is the size of my freaking
Oh my God!
head. Do you not look inside?
No!
I love this.
Oh my God, is that what it is?
Isn't it amazing?
I love the bottle.
I really want to keep this. I know Auntie Deb would really love it. But I feel like I've got to keep it because I love their products.
I love you, Auntie Deb, but Auntie Deb's got some good presents.
Yeah. Isn't that amazing? The repair and restore. So, wow. So you can buy it like this.
I don't get that then.
The team at Bucks and Bull. This year, ORIBE have collaborated with artist and designer Louis Bartholomew to bring light to ORIBE's unique expression of heritage craftsmanship. Together, they've co-created this stunning limited edition holiday packet. This is amazing.
It's called Gold Lust.
Yeah.
Yeah, because look, that's the one in the picture.
Oh, I think that's just one that's from another. It's the same collection, but a different box. This is incredible. I mean, and the shampoo, ORIBE shampoo conditioner is mega. Look at that.
Beautiful.
Stunning.
Beautiful.
I love that. I love that packaging.
Yeah.
Stunning. Right, Garnier. Oh, and Grant, lovely Grant Donaldson has created. I think it must be an edit with Garnier. I love the packagings. Gorgeous, bright, colourful, lovely, lovely, lovely. What we got in here? Since the start of my journey on social media, my aim was to always been to educate others on skincare, helping people make the right choices for their skin. Garnier formulate their products for all and at a price point that's attainable. So in here, he's picked 3 of his favourite products. We've got the Deep Hydrating Cleanser, the Vitamin C Eye Cream, and the Invisible Serum SPF. Oh, we've got something else, I think. The cleanser and the SPF, this one here. Vitamin C, eye and serum, sorry. That's so great. I don't know if you can buy them all together or if it's separate or if it's just Grant's edit, but that is lovely. Congratulations, Grant. Garnier, really, really great brand. Lovely, lovely brand. Dawn, we've got 4 minutes left on this card.
Quick, quick, quick then.
Caroline Gardner. Here we go. We're not going to do all this in 4 minutes, are we? Oh.
Are you joking? Oh no, that's okay.
Caroline Gardner's hot water bottles. I love a hot water bottle so much. Oh, look at this one. I always need it for my tummy. Look at that. They're fab, aren't they?
Lovely.
Really bright and colourful.
Lovely.
Very, very soft. Caroline Gardner there. Dawn, I mean, come on then. KLE. Are we really going to do this in 4 minutes?
No, we're not.
Well, we're not, because you haven't...
No, we're going to swap.
Right.
We're going to swap.
Quick then. What are you doing?
No, it's just a little bit. There we go. Sorry guys,
Sunday.
1 week it won't be rushed like this.
Yeah,
We've sort of
that's-
like done the camera and stuff.
What? 3 minutes. Look at these. Gingerbread and pavlova.
They are actually really nice.
Have you smelt them?
No, I've not smelled them, but I've used one before.
Smell that. Wow.
Oh my god, literally.
It smells like a gingerbread latte. I don't know if I want to smell like a gingerbread latte. I definitely don't want to smell like a pavlova, but actually that smells amazing. That is a great stocking filler, isn't it?
Really good.
That is such a good stocking filler. So that is SUNDAE and they are $12.99. They are great. Okay, next. KLE. We have got the new Eden Sparkling Lychee. Oh, I love lychee. So let's have a smell of this. I love lychee. Oh, wow. Really nice. Very sweet. If you love a sweet fragrance, that is great. And then we've got Juicy Apple. Again, really nice. Smells that like an apple. It smells like a lychee. Very, very sweet, lovely. People that love KLE, love it.
How
It's
do you
like
say it?
KLE, I think.
Okay.
But they're always like either really sweet, really oody, really lasts very, very well. But let's smell that.
Oh, I can smell it from here.
Yeah, it's nice,
really
isn't it?
sweet, but
Yeah.
nice.
Okay, then we have got Host. What's this? Who's this? Lisa, we're thrilled to share with you our latest launch. We hope you love our homemade candle makers as much as we do. Love Sophie at Host Home. I love these. Aren't they fab? They are absolutely gorgeous and they'll be going on my Christmas table.
On a table, yeah.
Yeah, I've got big candles I can put in them. Love them. Host Home. Small business as well. Handmade. Wow. And then we're going to do it, Dawn. We might do it. We might be lucky. Gatineau. Well, a lot of Gatineau recently, haven't there? This is
a QVC.
Okay, QVC. We have got, it's worth £307, but it is how much, Dawn?
I've tried to look.
We don't know.
Don't know. It's
It's weird that they put this worth and never put how much it is.
yeah.
We've got the lifting collection in there, so it's QVC number 250156. And lastly, if we do it, if we don't buy, guys, we love you.
No.
We don't know this brand. Dawn thinks it's a TikTok brand.
Yeah, it says to me it's gone viral on TikTok.
Okay.
It's quite a affordable brand. They're all around under £20.
Okay, you can now shop it at Boots. We're excited to bring 12 of Bubba's effective and accessible products, which are formulated by the brand's all-female team in-house developers to Boots real destinations from under £20. Available January 2024. So we can talk more about this brand next year, but there seems to be a lot of products. Love the colours, bright, accessible,
Bubbly.
lovely. Bubbly. We done it, Dawn.
We've done it.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Thanks for watching, guys. We'll be back at some point in time. Merry Christmas. I feel like I want to keep talking till it runs out now, though.
Okay, then. Next week, I think we need to do it with like champagne, though.
Okay, it's gone red.
Has
When
it?
the weather outside is frightful. Join in! It's not run out yet.
Delightful.
What?
Let
Let it snow. Oh, my snow in the sequins. That was great last weekend. Still flashing 0, but still on. I should probably stop it, otherwise it might mess it up.
People like
What?
turn it off.
Turn it off. I'm gonna. Bye, guys.